Hi traders, it's Nikos here and welcome to our yearly charity event to help the kids around the world. We do this once a year. Now this is for new traders but also for experienced traders. We split this into two parts, the technical part and the mental part. Let me give you the topic here and the details. Trading professionally, the Spartan trading system. So the technical part, learning to see first. Very important that we see things, on the chart. So here we go, understanding the charts, market behavior, most important in fast and slow moving markets. So when we're done with this and we're all okay, we go to part two, getting closer, meaning we want to identify trends and ranges, finding major support and resistance levels. It's important that we see those things on the chart, understand how the markets work, what they do. And then market volatility, deciding if it's worth trading or not. So we always do our homework first, those two parts, before we even think about trading, okay? Part number 3, looking for trading setups. So this is the part where we're actually doing our top-down approach, going from the higher time frames to the lower time frames and figure out what style to trade. Rather, maybe swing trading, day trading, scalping, combinations and all those things. But first of all, we need to do this top-down approach and see what's going on, figure out what's going on the chart. Then we are looking for early 1, 2, 3 setups. This is our basic Spartan strategy. And of course, before we trade, applying great money management rules, knowing how much to risk, how much to expose the account to before we even push any buttons, okay? Then we go to the mental part, dealing wisely with your fears. So all the technical stuff we are learning generally in trading is absolutely worthless if mentally you're not ready, if you're not fit, okay? So part 1, remember that you are in charge. So we are going to discuss and I will explain to you how to set your mind, let's say this way, so you understand and really feel that you're in charge, that you have to take responsibility for everything you do, okay? Now part 2, managing your fear of loss. Nobody likes to lose when it's about trading. We all know that it is part of trading that sometimes you make money and sometimes you give it back. The trick is to make more than giving back and to deal with this mentally, so it's no problem. You still end up with money end of the day, end of the month, long term, okay? So this is something you have to get into your head and you have to start feeling it, and then it's really easy. Part 3, positive thinking exercise. So this exercise will help you get part 1 and part 2 done actually, right? So if you think positively, if you can reset your mind, everything else is easy as well, but we get into detail there. And part 4, and Jeff is going to take over, but partner Jeff Wild is going to show you his 5 ways to remove all your mental trading obstacles, okay? So this will be a very powerful live event. Pay attention please, it's very helpful for everybody. Again, as I said, it doesn't matter if you're new or experienced, it will be great and we for sure have a lot of fun, okay? It's all for a good cause, so make sure you don't miss out. Have a great day. I'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.